Very good afternoon to everyone. Next topic is continuous training method. Continuous training is a form of exercise that is performed at a continuous intensity throughout and does not involve any rest period. Continuous method is one of the best method for improving endurance. In this method, our work intensity low because the exercise is done for a longer period. These activities use large muscle group performing repetitive movements over a prolonged period of the time. Continuous training require our body to use oxygen to produce energy, which means it will improve our respiratory system and also our cardiovascular system. It is great for building cardiovascular endurance, and by improving our heart and lung function, you will able to cope with everyday tasks much easier without getting out of breath. The rate of heartbeat remains in between 140 to 160 beat per minute. Exercise should not be less than 30 minutes. The duration training time can be increased according to endurance ability of sportsperson. Here I want to add some more points in this method, and these are: this method is generally used once in a week in advanced training program. This method is also used for beginner with low intensity. This training is specially designed for long distance runner and swimmers. Next, here we discuss the types of continuous training method. Especially there are the three types. First is slow continuous method. The athlete exercise at a slow pace without any break for very long duration. The duration of exercise should not be less than 30 minutes, may last up to 2 hours or even more. It means this type of training method is especially designed for the long distance runner. It means half marathon or marathon. Next is fast continuous method. In this method, the work is done at faster speed without changing the pace for long without any break in between the exercise. The duration of work is not less than 20 minutes for well-trained athletes. Heartbeat range between 160 to 180 beats per minute. And the last is slow fast continuous method. Athletes run faster from his racing pace, but the distance covered is decreased if compared to actual race distance. This method is generally used by the medium distance runner. Athletes also adopt this method with approximately covering 5 to 10 kilometers. Our next slide is advantage of continuous training method. If we are doing this training method, then we will increase our glycogen in muscle and liver, increase the number and the size of mitochondria, increase in efficiency of heart and lungs, improve willpower, and make an individual well determined under the condition of fatigue. Next is this disadvantage of this training method. Just because this training is taking a long time, so it can be boring, does not improve anaerobic fitness, so it's not good for the team game, just like football, hockey, which involve short burst of speed. So thank you boys. If you have any query, then please ask. Thank you.